Hello, good morning, maayong bungkag. Today is the main event ng ating pagpunta here because today is the Easter Sunday. So, si Daddy Carson is currently creating siopaw. Si Mom, she is making banana cake.
Wow!
And later on, gagawa tayo ng salad. And ang mga bata are right here. Si Ozzy. Hi, Ozzy! What you doing? Are you playing? And there na si Austin. Come here. Come. Wala. Austin, ayaw ko yung bangga. Wala na talagang buwas na si Moms nang dahil sa sore throat. But ilalaban natin yan for today's video because later on, it's gonna be busy with the kids and their Easter celebration. Bi, ano ko bang kaabi? Si Austin may banggaon, Bi. What's this? For the lips?
Chihuahua.
Give Mama the lid. The lid. Put in here. Put in here the lid. Dance, B.
Oh, mama, mama! Mommy!
Ito na. Nag-bake si Ma'am siya ng banana bread kay sobrang daming kuan. Sobrang daming banana na overripe. Here is Austin. Here is Ozzy. Can we sing ABCs? Ozzy, do you like to sing ABC?
No.
Hi.
No, Mickey Mouse.
What about Itsy Bitsy Spider?
No, no. Mom,
What song do you like?
Mickey Mouse.
Tito doesn't know Mickey Mouse. Can you sing it?
Mickey Mouse house.
What is the song name?
What's the song Mickey Mouse, babe?
Mickey Mouse house.
There's no.
What's the song ni Mickey Mouse House?
Ozzy,
Nanilayas na naman si Ozzy. Sige. Base ng mga bata, mapaon sila. We are now preparing the salad. Okay, pretentious ba na? Para there's something healthy. Because party siya ng mga bata, but party din siya ng mga adults. Gathering. Like that lang that. Like this. Na i-remove na ko ang soft part.
And then also take a spoon and scoop into this one.
You wanna try?
Lang yung ma'am si mo. Magbaon mi anak. Kani? nga, this is sharper daw. This is sharper.
Ikaw mo yung ano na sa YouTube ng taon niya. Nakakalabas din. Matawag ko. Nagulat ko din.
O na,
Tawag ko
ako
siya.
ka na mag-drama kong istorya. Wala na sa siya.
Pero malinga kayo sa'yo ka na magdula-dula mo. Giti-giti ko yung si Austin, katawa po siya.
Anong basahan ako si Austin?
Wala mo siya kikiting.
Awa ba?
Mga tawa mo, katawa po siya.
Sinaya mo fun. Haga di ako. Yan, lablab lang mo doha. Ayan. Ayan. First day pala.
Baga, di kayo siya gado sa iyang bukay, no?
Kami kaysa mo.
Tapos guro ka na siya shampoo.
Ato ang Pilipinas no. Remote na ko an. Nurser. Side and shoulder.
Sige, ikaw na. Beside
Igo da na? Okay. O, isit na na, bidasil ka.
Eat na lang nga. Di pa sila pinapakain ng lunch. You'll see. Alas 12 na. Busy kasi ang mga mama-papa preparing for the Easter. Kumuha na lang sila ng pagkain nila kanina na hindi nila kinain. So right here we have chicken lollipop by Daddy Wilfred. And si Carson is finishing up asada. Why are you laughing?
Dito ba si boys?
Oh. And natapos na din.
Karsten, is it not too weird for you that you see Arby every day talking to camera?
No.
Where's your food? Put it there. Ayan. Pakainin natin ang dalawang bata. Kami, doon na lang kami kakain mamaya. Pag kakain na ang mga bata there. Mag-snack lang kami before we go. But we will eat first and then prepare for the Easter celebration. Here we go. Kami ang magdadala ng fruits and salad. And then sila Wilfred naman and Mais magdadala ng chicken lollipop. So it's all ready now. Magdadala, ang salad is nasa ref pa. But with the siopa, we're not bringing it because it's made for here. Dito sa kay Mais. So we're ready. The kids also woke up from their nap. And we're ready to go. There ang outfit ni Moms. Nag-short tayo because medyo mainit. But I don't know if I'm gonna feel cold later. Sabi ko kay Carson, pahiram ako ng pajama niya. Wala kasi akong ibang pantalon na pala na nadala. Wala na pala. I didn't check it again kung kompleto ba ang ating mga damit. But I have this, so let's wear this. Hey, Haji. Oh, naka-scary. Oh! Where's Austin? Austin is right here. Hala. Hana.
Austin, louder! Louder!
Nasa labas na kami.
Bilin ko pa.
Naka na bilhin? Ah, okay. Let's wait for Dada. Dada is making pee-pee. Yeah. Ay, ang jacket is, I think ang jacket ko nasa sasakyan. Very chaotic.
Letter J? Oh, uy, ma-open na. Open na, open, open.
Kasya ba ako dito? Murag medyo tugnaw dyan sa kibot ba? Gisulot po ako ang pants ni Karsten. Mura sa kong nakasakay, mura sa kong balina. Pero naaman to akong akong pants. Nadala na ako.
Ma'am, siya kay wipes there or tissue?
Wala, nasa likod. Ay, wait, sa tanan ako.
Terang hood. Sorry, Asrin. Ang last one.
Starting route.
Ngita ta direbe.
Ayun na. Manang pahit.
Kumanag pahid.
Border stress. Then take the first
Mag-jacket
left.
ako. Kaya para mainitan ako ba? Like that. Ayan.
At the light, turn left.
Ay mo.
Kasi, ano? Ay, wala na.
Mamsi ko sa good place na itong atuan. Intermul. O sa man ito mas Rehan.
I don't know how to pronounce it.
Dito mo sa kay magkuan mo dito magduwa mo og sa mga bata og playground dito.
Once po kadto dito.
Draken?
Turn left to merge onto
Draken yun!
Oo. Sarang gulang malaki. So
At the next light, turn left.
sa cookie na ang mga bata.
No, Austin is not sleeping. Are you sleeping? No, no.
Regret, I've done this 4/4 kick drum pounding in my head.
We are here. Andito na ang mga bata para sa kanilang Easter celebration. Dinala namin sila dito para matago ang mga eggs. And then later on, maglalaro na sila. Go, go, go! There's one more! There's one more! There, 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 there! Go, 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 go! Go, go, go! There, there, there!
Here pa, lahat yan na nakitlog.
There, 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 there! Faster, faster! This one, this one, this one! Faster, faster! Faster, faster, faster! Right here, this one, this one, this one. There, 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 there! There, 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 there! Yung pang breakfast. Faster, faster! This one, this one, this one, this one. There, 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 there. There, this one. There, 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 Austin.
Si Austin na yung nakakuha ng mga ano,
Austin, there, there.
Teka, cook!
This one, this one, this one. Wow. Grabe competitive ang mama. Let's go, Austin. This one. Ay.
Ayaw niya, ayaw niya.
Let's go, let's go, let's go. All done? There's one so there, there. Good job, Austin. Wow.
Asrel,
Uy, may pamilya dyan siya. Uy, may pamilya ba?
Asrel,
Ilang, hindi rin ilang book. Ano isang RB?
ang personal space kay mo nang i-cross. You're crossing the personal space.
Can you try it, Austin? Wow, Austin is opening his gift. Can I see? Can you look at Mama?
Austin, look at Austin. Oh, pakita si Austin.
Wow!
Sige, si Austin.
Hello, what's this? Wow, so cute. What else? Ah, this is for the water, no?
Can I see? Ay, wow!
Si Dada?
Wala na. Ay, dinosaur, no?
Kulangga.
Ay, wow! Kagwapo! Kaangayan. Ooh!
Ikaw naman yun.
Ay, wow! Nice!
May ko ba, mom siya?
Mm. Wow, Austin, look! What's this? Look. Oh! Tapos na ang aming activity sa pag-egg hunting, kumain, naglaro, and right here, nag-dinner na naman kami. And after dinner, naglaro na sila for the last time. And then, uuwi na din kami after. Are you not gonna eat? What did you eat?
Are they picking up?
Yeah, they're packing up. Come on. You cannot jump, baby. That's so high. 9. No, I want a tumbling. Yung flowers right here. Oh. Cherry blossom na white ba ang tawag dyan? Or ibang tree lang na white ang flower. Looks so nice. Ganda dito, guys. Dito is Switzerland na to na area. And sabi nila is dito banda daw. Ayan, nakikita nyo. Basta summer, may tubig yan. So, sobrang daming tao or sobrang daming bata ang naliligo dito. It would be nice, no? But I don't think makavisit ata kami dito ng summer considering we're gonna go home sa Philippines around summertime dito sa Germany. And then pagkabalik namin is malamig na naman dahil 3 months lang ang init dito sa country. Oops! Ayaw, baby. Nay. Good thing maganda ang weather today. Like, maganda talaga. Because yesterday, we were planning to go somewhere but the weather is not so nice.
But your voice is still that maganda.
And dito ako nag-video kasi medyo nakakahiya.
But it's also good sex.
Uy!
Ayaw! Austin!
So, naghihintay na lang kami sa mga bata na matapos maglaro. And then, we will also go home after. This is really such a nice place. Hindi naman sobrang init, hindi din sobrang malamig. And then, the kids could play. You will see dyan na banda kami nag-picnic. Or you will see si Austin may white tent dyan. Dyan sila nag-set up. And then, mga friends lang din ang dyan. Actually, nakikisali lang kami sa kanilang Easter celebration because last year, dito din kami nag-celebrate ng Easter. But in a different park. Yeah, I know.
Where you could also
With them, but in different park. Yeah. But this is also a nice park.
but a bit struggling to park.
But parking is a bit struggling, yes.
Because as you can see, all the streets are so narrow.
Yeah. Parehas lang ang mukha ng Switzerland and Germany. It just looks the same. My love, no? Maybe in different parts of Switzerland, but they are just quite the same. Packing up ng people. Austin! Come back here.
Austin! Austin!
Austin! Asrel!
Come back!
Surok! Surok! Asrel!
Dito is ang gate lang din from Switzerland going outside. And palabas na tayo.
And that's a German border right there.
This is the German border.
And the other one is the
Okay.
border side.
And this one is Germany. Welcome, Germany! Char. Char. Murag di isilingan.
Alam mo na, Mars.
Austin, are you happy? Ay, yun lang. Si, kung ano, si, next study na gani na yun si Azzy.
In 500 meters at the roundabout,
Give to Azzy. Give to Azzy. That's from Auntie Marie.
And that's for Austin.
Come here. Oh, here mo,
You
Bo.
say first, thank you, Tita Marie.
Here ka, look. Here ka, look.
That's not from Austin, that's from Tita Marie.
Austin, say, thank you, Auntie Marie. Okay, go open it together with Azzy. Go open your gifts. Ayan. Auntie, thank you ha. Wow. Ka-nice na oy. Wow. Wait, Austin, parang tomorrow pa taan na, big. Ayan. Ay, sus. Wow, si Auntie is the best auntie in the world. Wow.
Dude, si Auntie Marie, sige na nang
Oo.
Gusto na ko si Maria mayroong auntie.
Oo ba? Sorry na lang, Mom. Ay, di naman ka kailangan mo ask. Kaya, comment dyan din sila. Oo. Automatic naman din sila. Oo. Sige, ayaw ha, Ma'am. Sige, isang rin ako niya.
I hope you. Thank you so much, Auntie Marie.
Si Carson. They open. Tell si Uncle na i-help ka.
Should I open it?
Say, please help Tito.
Here, oh here.
It's right here. Ay. Wow. Wow. Okay. Sige, put it right here. Ayan. Ayan. Okay, you have to form it, ha?
Yeah.
Sige. Okay. Thank you, Auntie. Salamat sa imong support, Auntie. I love you, Auntie.
Just like this, oh.
Oh, may trabaho na ang mga daddy. Oh, sige, trabahuin nyo yan.
Cool. Wow.
More than 3 years old ata yan.
3 naman si Austin. Yes, si Asi kay 2 man.
4 plus, yeah, that's for most.
I see.
Yeah. Then, hug na us.
Hug na.
Hug na Austin.
Hug na si Austin.
Hug na Austin ka.
Hug na si Austin. We will go na.
Babay na Austin. Si babay na Austin. Hug na Austin. Hug na here. Lagi na hug. Why?
Oo ba? We will go na.
But again, can you tell Austin to say bye-bye to Dada?
Why man si Dada?
Just to tell
Yan sulugon.
Hotel na kay Dada, Austin. Bye-bye, Dada.
Dada will come sign with us here.
Babay na doon.
Ang problema na. Ay, katulog na na. Sige na, bye-bye.
Austin got books from here.
Austin will go.
This one.
Austin will go na to their
This
house.
one. And... Ay!
Bye-bye.
Upat ka buok, Moms. 4 pieces na.
Bye-bye, Austin.
Thank you, Ozzy. Thank you, Moms. Thank you, Wilfred. Thank you, ha. Pamurit na sa bugdagan, ha.
Dala mi rin ako, ibili sa inyo.
Thank you, Barate family!
Bye-bye. Sleepy na isa.
Ay, sleepy. We will go na. Say na bye-bye, Austin.
Isa ba? Lockdown na po ni sakyanan.
May ta.
Open it!
We are finally home. And finally, ma-open na din ni Austin ang gift ni Auntie sa kanya for Easter. Wow! Thank you, Auntie Marie. Austin, say, thank you, Auntie Marie.
Auntie Maggie.
Say, I love you.
I love you.
Wow. Can we open it? What is this? What's inside?
I also like this.
Let's see. Ooh.
Oh, wow.
Ooh.
Nice.
Wow. Uy, ka nice on Austin. Uy, wow.
Also,
Uy.
show shoes na to Auntie Marie. Say thank you.
Say thank you, Auntie Marie. Thank you, moms. Love you, moms. Ka nice on you, uy. Thank you, Momshi.
Hungry?
Uy, hungry na daw siya.